Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix WhatsApp not opening in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you're facing this kind of problem where your WhatsApp application does not open in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop, what you can do is just simply fix that problem. So to fix that problem, what you have to do is first check if you have a strong internet connection. So if you have a poor internet connection, you might face this kind of problem. So to check if you have a strong internet connection, what you can do is just simply open up a browser. After checking that you have a strong internet connection, what you can do is just come back. And after coming back, now what you can do is just open up your settings. After checking that you have a strong internet connection, what you have to do is just try to use your WhatsApp, and if you are still facing that problem, even if you have a strong internet connection, now what you can do is just simply open up your settings, and after tapping on the search bar you can just search for settings, and after searching for settings, now you'll come up to your settings application, and inside your settings application just tap on this option which is apps, which is on the left side of your screen. Just tap on apps and then tap on this first option which is installed apps, and from there in the search bar you can search for WhatsApp. And after searching for WhatsApp, beside your WhatsApp you can find this three dotted icon. Just tap on that and then tap on advanced settings, and after tapping on advanced settings, now you have to check. And after tapping on settings, now what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find this option which is restart. So after tapping on your advanced settings option, now what you can do is just scroll down and come up to your reset option, and over here what you can do is you will find this option which says repeat. It says repair. So just tap on repair, and by tapping on repair it starts repairing your WhatsApp application, so it will fix any issues or bugs from your WhatsApp, and then tap on restart and then restart. And after repairing and restarting your WhatsApp, now what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp and you'll fix your problem. But even this does not fix your problem, what you can do is just simply uninstall your WhatsApp and then reinstall it. And by doing that, you'll successfully fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix WhatsApp not opening in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.